What's up you guys, it's your girl Judy here with my Lifeaskikay. Today's video is going to be a sort of somewhat chatty get ready with me. So if you want to see how I achieve this oh so glowy look with only drugstore products, then just keep on watching. So I've already moisturized my face, one of the most important steps of applying makeup. Now I'm going to go in with the Infallible L'Oreal Mattifying base. I really like this primer because it has a really silky, silicone-y sort of feeling. It really just fills in the pores and really does mattify. Now I'm going to go in with the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect Foundation. I don't know if this is exactly my shade, but I'll make it work. Probably a little bit light for me. Definitely too light for my forehead, that's for sure. So at the moment, I'm just getting ready for a really big day of filming. I have about 6 videos lined up to film for you today. I'm just really embracing that hustle, guys. And I'm actually really enjoying this process of starting up my YouTube channel. It's really a lot of work. I had today off, so I'm able to film today. But I stayed up till around 2 o'clock last night just preparing the content that I'm planning to film today. So we'll see if I get through all of it. It's a lot. That's definitely too light for me, but I will warm up my skin later on with some bronzer. Foundation is also a 2-in-1 concealer and foundation, but I need something that's gonna last me through the day because obviously I've got a busy day coming up. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser. This one's an OG. Everyone talks about this one and I've nearly finished. I've just bought another 2 for backup. It's probably a bit much. As I was going through my makeup collection with the products I was planning to use today, I realized that I don't actually have any eyeshadows from the drugstore. Don't have any Maybelline, L'Oreal, Rimmel, any of that sort of thing. I really have more of the affordable palettes that you can buy online like Morphe, ColourPop. I actually have a fair few, well not a lot, but I have a few higher end-ish sort of palettes like Violet Voss and Natasha Denona. I'm gonna take some of that concealer on my eyes as well just to use as a primer. Ooh, that's a bit bright. Sorry, I'll warm it up later on. Now I'm gonna set my concealer and go in with the Maybelline Matte Maker. Dip my brush into there. As you can see from the title, these are all drugstore items. Things that you can buy from Priceline, Chemist Warehouse. I think the only product that I'll be using today that I didn't buy from any of those shops is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. That one I bought online and had sent to Australia. But if you're watching this from the US, lucky you. You've got all the great products over there. Also, as I was doing my research last night, I realized that a lot of the makeup products that we get here in Australia are 10 times cheaper to buy in the US. Boom. So while this foundation in the US might cost, I don't know, $8, here it's about $35. I'm not even joking. To try and get this foundation here in Australia, you could probably buy it from some website online. It'd cost at the very least, $25. So while I know I said this is a full face using drugstore products, honestly, $25, that is a regular price for any foundation you might get. That's L'Oreal. That's just a basic price. So while I know it's a little bit more expensive, for Australia, that's a drugstore price. I'm not even joking. Now because I'm feeling a tad bit washed out, just a bit, I'm gonna go in with a BYS Face and Body Island Bronzer because you're meant to feel like you're on an island when you're applying this. It doesn't even smell like the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Don't know what's so islandy about this except for maybe the bronze. So I'm gonna go in heavy because I am really white. This bronzer has a fair bit of shimmer in it. Can you see that? Has a lot of shimmer in it. I usually really only use this bronzer as a bronzer topper if I want a little bit of extra glow. Never really on its own like I'm using it today. So I'm gonna be extra glowy today. Oh, but what's wrong with that? Nothing's wrong with that. Anyone can be as highlighted or as glowy as they wanna be.
I don't wanna be.
Don't forget that double chin. Actually really like that on its own. It's not too bad for right now where my skin is sort of having a chill moment where it's not really breaking out. I do have a little bit of texture there, but I mean, who doesn't have texture on their face? So I really don't mind how it's looking right now. To go with the bronzer, I'm wanting a little bit of color in my cheeks. So I'm going to go in with the Essence Silky Touch Blush. I did a bit of research and I think that Target isn't selling this anymore, but last time I looked for it on Target, it wasn't online, and then I went into the shop and they had it in the shop. So I don't know if it's available or not. Next time I go into town, I'll see if it's available at Target because that's where I bought this one from. And I know that they have a lot of Essence products there. Well, a lot for Australia. But Priceline does have the Essence Matte Finish Blush, just not the Silky Touch one. Definitely has a bit of a sheen to it. I'm gonna be extra glowy today. Lucky I put that matte primer down first, hey? That'll do. Now I think I want a bit of something on my eyes. So I'm going to go in with these L'Oreal Infallible. Infallibles. That's literally what they are. I'm just gonna use my fingers because I've found that these apply the best with just my fingers. I just culled my makeup collection just before I started back up on YouTube, and I just got rid of a whole bunch of colors, so I'm gonna have to try and create a look with what I've got here. I'm going to go in with the shade Endless Chocolate and just apply that to the outer V of my eye. I'm gonna zoom you a bit closer so you can see what I'm doing.
Looking a bit rough at the moment, but I haven't finished blending.
I'm gonna take this Morphe E23 brush and just try and blend that into the crease. I've really got the iridescent look going today. These shades are not matte, that's for sure. Just keep blending and blending and just keep blending. Anyway, that's enough of that shade. That one was Endless Chocolate, and it really was Endless Chocolate. I'm gonna try and keep it a little bit simple and take some of Blinged and Brilliant into the inner corner of my eye. Look at this one though, this one's really pretty.
That makes me so happy.
So I'm gonna take some of that on my finger and apply that to the inner corner. It's extended to the outer corner. Looks a little bit crazy right now, but it'll look a whole lot better once I've got mascara and liner on. So, next I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Scandaleyes Black Waterproof Kohl Eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer section of my waterline, not all the way in. And I'm going to take my brush and smudge that in. Now I think I want to take some of that pink shimmer that I put on my inner eyelids and just apply a little bit of that to the lower lash line as well. Just going to brush away some of that fallout. I feel like I need a little bit more brightness, so I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible in Color Shake. And this one's a matte shade, so I'm going to apply some of that under my brow. And I feel like I need a little bit of brightness under the eyes. And this one's a matte color, so this could be an absolute disaster, but I'm going to apply some of that under my eyes. Not bad. I wouldn't go too hard in it though, because otherwise it'll show up all my texture. This is really not meant to be used as a highlighting powder. I'm just experimenting. Alright, so now I'm feeling it's high time for my eyes to look a little bit less crazy. So I'm going to go in with an eyeliner. What will I use today? Oh, this'll do. I'm going to use the BYS Matte Liquid Liner in black. I haven't used this one before, so we'll see how I go. Oh, it's a bit goopy. Oh no. Can you see that? It's so goopy. Well, I hope that one dries down because that's a mess. I'm trying to fix it, you guys. Can you see that? It's so chunky. Oh no. I just ruined my makeup. Now, I'm gonna take that off. Nope. Nope. I'll just fix that and I'll be right back. So not using that one again, that's going in the bin. So I'm going to now go in with the Rimmel Scandaleyes eyeliner marker sort of pen. Oh, that's a bit better. I love these marker eyeliner sort of pens. They're so easy. I don't think I need much for my brows today. I'm just gonna brush them out. Now I'm going to go in with the W7 Oh So Waterproof Mascara. This one I found at Chemist Warehouse, and they have the whole range of W7 makeup. I haven't actually seen anyone talking about the W7 makeup lines, so I might even do a full face of it. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see that. This mascara was really cheap as well. I think it was like under $5. The whole W7 makeup line is actually really cheap, so I'd be really interested to do a full face of their makeup and find out if it's cheap and good or cheap and nasty. This isn't my usual go-to mascara, but it's actually not that bad. But because it's waterproof, it's a biatch to take off. I'm going in heavy with the mascara because I feel like my eyes need a little bit something something. Now, just because I don't think I'm shiny enough, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. This one, I believe, sells at Kmart for about $5–6. Let's just keep on going, packing it on, because, you know, more is more.
Oh, she's glowing today.
Now that my mascara has dried, I'm going to go in with a setting spray, just sort of melt it in. So I'm going to go with the Rimmel Insta Fix and Go. It's meant to be a primer and setting spray 2-in-1, but I obviously didn't use this as a primer. I'm just going to use it as a setting spray. I hope the mist on this is good, because I don't feel like being spat on today. Ooh, what was that? Ooh, well, I guess I'll be spat on today. Oh, it's not so bad once you got a few pumps in. Oh, that's actually really nice. Can you hear that? Alright, first impressions, no go. So I'll just keep going. Oh, it smells good too. It smells like mango popsicles. I will definitely be using that one again. Lips are looking a little bit crazy. I'm going to go in with a Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in Gone Burgundy. And over the top of that, I'm going to apply the NYX Creamy Lipstick in Doll Poupée. And this is a really pretty pink color. Look at that. Finishing touches. I do actually have a beauty spot there. It's just when the foundation goes over the top, it tends to show through a little bit blue. So I like to redefine because I like my beauty spot. That setting spray really helped everything just melt together. I like it. And that's the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little bit more casual and laid back. Just a sort of chatty get ready with me because I really am getting ready for the day. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Coffee. What's that saying? Sisters, not twins? Actually, I think that was about eyebrows. Not eyeliner. Oh, damn it. This is not going well.